Welcome. Tonight I'm working in my Dutch barn. As you can see, I've been doing a lot of work in here. It's actually tidy. I've got a work table. I've got my insulation on the roof. 3/4 done it. I run out of glue. Don't believe in it. So, one of the things I'm going to be doing is fixing and repairing things, okay? And tonight I've got a fairly new web hedge trimmer, okay? So the problem the customer's got with this is it's not got much of a lead, so she was asking us if I could extend this cable because I think we'll know by now what happened there. So here's the other end of the lead, okay? Excuse me. Now I'm going to have to do this the old-fashioned way because I can't find my wire strippers, right? So what I'm going to be able to do is I'm going to be able to bare this quite easy just to put 2 new bits into this now, so this is quite an easy fix, which a lot of people might, well, depending on the unit you've got, to be fair with you, right? So some aren't as easy as this, because if there's wires that are soldered to boards and that inside, then no, it ain't easy. So, but I know for a fact that tonight, with what we've done here, and by the way, big shout out to Alison for having this faux pas. Without your contribution, I wouldn't have had this video to do tonight. So right, so there we go. So this is the remainder of this. As I said, this is the whole of the flex. Alright, and what I've done is, where it's been sliced through by said hedge trimmer, okay, I have created now 2 new joins. Now, one of the good things to do on these kind of things, probably we would solder these. Well, not soldering kit someplace, because I found the solder. So there's my solder. Can't find my solder iron. I'll be on Amazon tonight and buying myself a new one. Expected to be here in the next 48 to 72 hours. Thank you. Right, so this is prepared, okay? Now, get a wee bit of box here. So, on one side of this, there is 11 screws, okay? And basically, take the screws out, put them into a wee jug, okay? And then you just slip this top bit of the cover off, and as you can see, right in here, right, it's just like wiring a plug up. So there's 2 screws to release this broken bit of cable, and then you've got, it's only a 2 core by the way, so it's only live and neutral. So you just slacken them out with that wire, redo the one, and then just, that's it. It's a reverse procedure. So let's see how we go on. Now I'm going to move the camera down, because I know that if I bring this down, by the way, this is my new Insta3, and I'll move this to here. There you go, so you can actually see what I'm doing. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out the 2 screws. There we go. Now, here's your live and your neutral here. I didn't even have to take the block connector out. And the good news for that means that you're in situ. So, there you go. There's the bit of wire out. Now this protective bit of sheath here, just take that over the end, and there you go, look. See what I mean? The ends of these wires have got a wee bit of solder on them. So, that's for a bin. No use to man nor beast. We then take the new bit of wire that I've just done, feed it back through, and then we put blue back to blue, brown back to brown, in the order that they were done in. Now I'm going to take them out. There you go. So I'm trying to, as you see, don't make an arse of it, but I have done because I went and tightened this screw up. It's not even fucking. I think I'm needing a narrower flat head. There we go. Right, we'll put the blue in first. It just means I'm going to make sure that I've the less wires you move about, that just means the easier that it makes this. So, but unfortunately I screwed that screw in there and the wire wasn't in properly. See, there's that as well, look. I'm doing a wee bit more and that's it. Now my apologies as well, Alison, for taking so long to do this, but as you know, I have been a tad busy. Right, so that tuck all these wires back into place where they were, and then that plug goes into there. That goes over there, that bit goes into there, and that piece of switch goes into there, and there we go. Back onto the Phillips screws again, because they obviously, the ones into the wee block connector, they're actually a flat headed screw, so this is why it's always wise as well to use an RDC with one of these things. So, and that, after checking it, is back in place. So, brown to brown, blue to blue, back in place, wires tucked in. There is nothing going to get caught when I put the green bit back on the top again. And that's it. Now, I don't really need to put a lot of screws back in, right? Because what I want to make sure is that I've got, see, you want to make sure you've got the fundamentals right in place on this. and if it's not working, there's no sense in putting 11 screws in. I'll put one in the handle as well, just to ensure it's safety. Now, all that's left to do is to test it. So, you don't be wanting that bit of wood back there, listen, that's in the bin. And then what we'll do is take this. Oh, here's the thing. Let's see if my box here, the transformer, see if this works it. Okay, oh, just had a power cut. So, okay, I can switch that bot off again. Well, it worked, but it was worked in the pitch dark. So, let's see if we can reset these lights. There you go. And voila, we have power. So I'll put it into the 240 volt section, and lo and behold, all done and dusted. So there you have it. That's just it just shows you something new, quick slip up, wee piece of cable, and there you go. To be honest with you, what? You've lost about 15 to 16 inches of cable there. It's no a biggie, so, but the main thing is she survived. It just shows you how dangerous these things are. So always wear your safety gear. Always use an RDC with these things because, well, as you can see, there's not even an earth in this thing, so safety first. Okay, thanks for watching. Mind to smash that like because I want to beat this algorithm. If you're new, welcome to Random Therapy. And I've had success with my first job in my shed. Till the next time, I'll say there.